In this tutorial, we will see how to take input from user. To take input from user, you need input function. In cell window right here, I am creating a variable name and typing input function. Between the parentheses, you can give any message here. I am typing enter your name. When you press enter, look what will happen. The string you typed in parameter is displaying on screen and a cursor is blinking and waiting for a line to be typed in. Now I am typing my name here, Deepak Singh. When you press enter, the data you typed in, Deepak Singh, is stored in variable name. You can check it, type the variable name inside print function and it is displaying. Now I want to store number in a variable. For that I am creating a variable x and calling input function with parameter enter any number. Now it is asking for input and I am typing 30. When I pressed enter, 30 is stored in a variable x. To check what is the type of x, call the function type like this and press enter. X is of str type and you want x to be an integer type. So you will have to convert a string number to an integer number. You can do this by calling int function and pass x as parameter. Now x is converted to int. You can check by calling type function. To input a number, you can combine these statements into one statement. Just look at the screen. You can pass input function result in int function. Now the value stored in x is int. You can check by typing type function. So whenever you want to ask number from user, your statement should be like this. Now I am going to create a program that asks the user to input two numbers, calculate total and print the total on screen. To do this, click on file, then new file. Now create a variable x to store first number given by user and create another variable y to store second number. To calculate sum, simple type z is equal to x plus y. Now total is stored in variable z and you can print by using print function. Save the file and I will name this file addNumber.py. Now run the program. Enter first number, enter second number, and the total is as your screen. This is a statement to input a string and this is a statement to take integer. Similarly, if you want to input a float value, you can pass input function result into float function and the string number will be converted to float number. You can check the value of variable by calling print function. Similarly, you can check the data type of variable by passing the variable into a type function. So in today's tutorial, we learned that how to take input from user.